Hi, this is Christina Tobacco Weber with Lucky to Live Here Realty at our virtual open house today at 29 Myers Avenue in Hicksville. Come on along and we'll take you on the tour. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below and we can answer immediately. Just to really quickly, part of our COVID protocol, we have hand sanitizer, gloves, booties, disinfectant spray, and that's for anybody who comes into any open house or showing, just to be safe. Whoops, my finger. Okay, we're inside this charming home. Joanna would come in from HGTV and not change a thing, I'm telling you. Okay. We have hardwood floors on the main level. Living room, dining room. I know it's hard to tell from perspective, but that table could easily hold 10, maybe 12. There we go. We're here in the living room. And when I was here taking photos a few days ago, it was just as light and bright late in the afternoon as it is today. The house is heated by gas, which is a great perk. There we go. Head over to the kitchen. The kitchen was done about 11 years ago. We do have granite countertops. Oops, let me get out of the glare. There we go. Go really slow. There we go. Gas cooktop. Always nice to have a gas cooktop. I wish I did. There we go. All right. All right. So pretty. Awesome. Stainless steel appliances throughout. And I think we're at 29 Myers Avenue in Hicksville, a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home. Taxes before STAR on this property are about $7,800 per year. It is in the Hicksville School District. This is the bathroom on the main floor. Very cozy. Right. Very cozy, ready for everything. Okay. And then it leads into, this could be used as a den. This can be used as an office space. Whatever you need. Certainly the office space everybody needs these days when everybody's working from home or they have their kids working from home. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below and we'll answer. That's what we're here for. We're heading upstairs. This is the bathroom on the second floor. Very pretty. Hopefully you don't get me. Oh, there's the phone. There we go. Better. There we go. Again, very bright, lots of good natural light in this home. This is one of the bedrooms that they're using as an office right now. Again, very bright. Okay, we're heading out. To my left is the stairs we just came up. This is one of the bedrooms. Lots of really lovely natural light. For those of us just joining, we're at 29 Myers Avenue in Hicksville. This home is currently on the market for $629,000. I do have showings left for the weekend, a very limited amount of time. Let me just see, nope, not that one. Okay. The open house on Sunday is an open house by appointment only. So if you would like to get into that open house, you have to make an appointment either through your own agent or you have to reach out to me to confirm the appointment. This is the master. Again, light and bright, lots of windows. This master has his and her closets. Always a nice, who doesn't like that, right? Little closet organizers. Head out again. And that's a queen size bed in case anyone's interested. So you know you can get your California King in here, no problems. Oh, okay, more closet space. I'll come back. Lots of closets, okay. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast. There we go. All right. We don't need to see me. We're only about a mile or less, actually, to the Hicksville train station. The elementary school is right down the block. Some people aren't aware that Hicksville is in the town of Oyster Bay. And as a Oyster Bay resident, you have, if you buy the town parking sticker, it gives you the right to go down to Tobay Beach on the South Shore and enjoy Tobay Beach. Tobay Beach is the same beach. It's on the same strip of land as Jones Beach. It's one of the world-class beaches. And they have a bayside where there's a cafe. It's great. Again, these are granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood throughout. All right, we're going to head down into the basement. There we go. Plenty of room down here to make this. Again, you could convert this to office space. If you put an egress window in, you could make it a bedroom. And this is a bonus. We're gonna, okay, head over to, don't judge. This is the utility room. I'm sure yours looks similar. Here we have the hot water heater, which was recently replaced. And that's a massive hot water heater. The gas burner. What is that? The washer and the dryer. Little extra fridge. Right? And a slop sink. Pretty typical. I think everybody has them in their basement. There is a fireplace down here. Again, it's a bonus. We'll head back upstairs really quick. Oh, you know, one thing I'd like to mention about the basement, the ceiling's really high. So I'm 5 foot and the ceiling's probably 7 foot. So that's a big deal. A lot of basements don't have such high ceilings. Again, if anybody has any comments on 29 Myers Avenue in Hicksville, please feel free to drop something, a question below, and we're happy to answer. Here we are back into the dining room, the main floor, and the kitchen. All right. Put it over again. Really lovely. Light and bright. If anyone wants me to go back to a room or there's something in particular that you'd like me to go back, please let me know. Again, drop it in the comments and I'll go back. Bathroom and the den. And I think what I'll do, I'm going to head outside really quick, show you the backyard, the garage. You're also very close to shopping. The mall is, as the Broadway Mall is, same thing, about a mile away. You're close to the Northern State Parkway. You're close to 495. Oops. Right. Sorry, just getting my shoes on. There we go. The coat closet when you first walk in. I'm gonna head outside. Go. So you could probably get 3 cars in this driveway, front to back, pretty easily. Heading over to the 1-car garage. There we go. Some shelving in the back. Has this little one electric box. It's wired for lights. There you go. All right, ladder to go up top to get a little bit of storage place. It's about, the home itself is about 1,400 square feet. We do have a floor plan available online. The website that is in the comments, we've put the website in the comments. You can click on there. It has the floor plan, and the floor plan has the measurements of all the rooms. 29 Myers Avenue, and Avenue is spelt out, .com. There's a covered patio here, a door to get into the garage, a shed for more storage in case there's not enough. You're in the backyard. There we go. Lots of entertainment space. Fully fenced backyard. So again, your favorite 4-legged friend, you can let him go. You don't have to put that fence up. I know I'd appreciate that. There we go. So this window is that little den office space. You could always, I guess, if you were creative and you wanted access, you could put French doors there. There you go. That's it. There's the backyard. Oops. All right. All fenced. Yep. There's the shed. Again, more storage space. Lawnmower, yard furniture. But this is lovely. The covered patio in the summer. Room for the garden. I'm heading back to the inside again. Here we go. Back down the driveway. Everybody likes to see. Okay. What was that? Sorry, I missed that last comment. Can you type it again? 1 mile to the Northern State and 495. Again, about a mile, less than a mile to the Hicksville train station. About a mile to the Broadway Mall and IKEA. For those of you that like lots of shopping, Westbury is not that far away with BJ's and Costco. It is in the Hicksville School District. And again, the taxes are a little over $7,800 per year, and that is before STAR. The asking price is $629,000. This home has only been on the market, 36 hours, I think we've had it on the market. 24 hours. Heading back into the master again. We have a lot of showings in the next few days, so if you'd like to get in, please reach out. You can reach me at 516-225-5636, or you can reach me at Christina@luckytolivehere.com. For those just joining, we're at 29 Myers Avenue in Hicksville. I'm showing the master bedroom, one of 4 bedrooms. There we go. Cute, cute. Move in ready. You don't have to do a thing. Everything has been done. This house is so clean. She keeps it immaculate. I can't even begin to tell you how immaculate this house is. I know one of these closets has the attic access. I can't remember which one. Maybe it's this one. Again, this is the 4th bedroom that they are using as a home office. Let's see if it's this one. Oh, there it is. There's the attic access. For those who are inquiring minds want to know. There we go. Again, clean as a button. Move right in and start enjoying just in time for spring. Heading down to the beach. Heading up to Oyster Bay. Town of Oyster Bay is adorable. Lots of shops. Here we are back down into the den again. The main floor bathroom. There we go. Everybody wants to see, right? You have also access to any of the North Shore beaches, including the town of Oyster Bay beaches. And for those of you not familiar, Bayville also has its own little village with an amusement park that hopefully will be open by the summer for everybody to enjoy. Hardwood floors throughout on the main level. Stainless steel appliances. The home is heated by gas. So you have gas cooking, gas heat. And for anybody, you're also on sewer, not cesspool like much of Suffolk. That's a big perk. The elementary school is just a few blocks away. This home is located in the Hicksville School District. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, please call or text myself, 516-225-5636, with any questions or to request a private tour. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.